Hello guys, my name is JB Dan. Today I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. Windows 7. Now some of you might encounter a problem where the original installer cannot Windows cannot install Microsoft Edge. Now I encountered that too, but here in this tutorial I will show you how to fix it. How to get around that. Now let's just say that you have downloaded Chrome. Now as you can see here, copy this link right here. I will provide the download link in the description below. So if you encountered an error that says you cannot install it, even though you already download the installer from their official website, you need to download the offline installer to get around that. As you can see here, this is the website web page. You must first pick a version. Just here, pick the stable, current and supported build, platform, Windows 64-bit. I have a 64-bit operating system and I will be using there. And now download, accept, and keep. Now because I already downloaded the installer, here scroll down and you will see this Microsoft Edge 64 Enterprise. Now just run this right here. Now it will install it for you. Just wait. After you wait, you will see this icon right here, the shortcut icon right here. You are now able to run Microsoft Edge, but I have to warn you though, because here you cannot use Microsoft Edge on Windows 7 unless you updated your Internet Explorer. So make sure you go ahead and download Internet Explorer, the update for Internet Explorer. I still have Internet Explorer 9. I already installed the update. All I need to do is restart in order for the update to take place. But that is it for now, guys. I hope this tutorial really helps. If it do, then be sure to give me a subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.